DJI is at it again, and this time, the future of ultra-portable drones might just fit in the palm of your hand. Meet the upcoming DJI Neo 2, a drone that's already making huge waves in the tech community long before its official launch. According to multiple insider leaks, this next-generation Neo isn't just another lightweight toy drone. It's shaping up to be a serious creator's tool. We're talking about longer flight time, a stronger design, upgraded 4K video capture, advanced tracking, and a weight that still keeps it under that all-important 250-gram limit. TO merge cinematic power with travel-friendly simplicity, and the result could be one of the most exciting drones of 2025. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The original Neo was impressive for its size, but the Neo 2 aims to bridge the gap between fun flying and professional filmmaking. Imagine a palm-sized drone that can follow you with precise subject tracking, record buttery smooth, stabilized footage, and still slip easily into your pocket or camera bag. In this video, we're breaking down everything we know so far. The leaks, the design changes, the rumored November 2025 launch date, and what all of these upgrades could mean for creators, travelers, and drone enthusiasts. So before you pick up your next drone, watch this till the end, because if even half of these rumors are true, the DJI Neo 2 could be the most portable powerhouse drone of the year. For drone enthusiasts, the name DJI carries weight. Since its earliest consumer quadcopters, DJI has led the way in marrying aerial capture with elegant design, intuitive controls, and compact portability. Now in 2025, the buzz surrounds the forthcoming DJI Neo 2, a successor to the original DJI Neo, released as a 135G ultra-portable palm drone. With this new model, DJI appears to be aiming higher, not merely an incremental update, but a leap toward blending ultra-lightweight portability with more serious, creator-grade features. According to multiple leaks and industry sources, the Neo 2 is earmarked for a November 2025 launch. In this video, we'll walk you through the context, the rumored improvements, what those upgrades might mean in practice, and what remains unknown. To understand the importance of the Neo 2, you need to see the evolution. The first Neo offered a 135-gram weight, 4K video capture, palm takeoff/landing, subject tracking, and propeller guards, all aimed at casual users and vloggers. While the specs were impressive for its size, limitations remained. Flight time was modest, image capture was constrained relative to larger drones, and the guard design and weight meant it was ideal for entry-level use but less so for serious cinematic flights. With the Neo 2, the goal, according to leaks, is to bridge that gap, to give creators a truly portable drone that still performs like something of substance. Per recent reports, the Neo may 2nd increase its battery capacity over the original. For example, a reported 1,606 mAh pack versus the Neo's 435 mAh, which suggests longer flight time. Leaked prototype images also show redesigned propeller guards, double-layered, hinting at a stronger frame and potentially more aggressive flying styles, possibly moving toward the sinuhoops/FPV, first-person view, domain. Indeed, one of the most interesting angles is that the Neo 2 might transform from a basic ultralight drone into a sinuhoop-style platform, compact yet capable of dynamic indoor-outdoor motion, something previously reserved for more specialized drones. The implication is that DJI is targeting a new subgenre, ultra-portable but performance-ready. If true, this has big implications for creators who want